Chef Rodney coming to you live from my kitchen. Today we're going to be doing barbecue ribs. First of all, what I did with you guys, I marinated my ribs with a light rub. So now I want to go over to my stove and sear them off. See how hot this skillet is? This grill pan is? That's how you want it to be. So you want to hear a nice sear once you put it down. That's what you want to hear. You want to get a nice sear on this. Nice sear on this. I'm going to show you what you're going to be looking for in a few minutes. Okay? So be patient with this. This takes a little bit of time to do. Want this to be just right. So what this is doing, this is pre-cooking your ribs. Or when you cook them in the oven, it won't take so long to cook. So you want to give them a little bit of slight turn right about now. That's called a cross hatch mark. You know how they be having them X's on your food? When you get your food when you go out to eat? That's what you're looking for when you do your ribs. Okay? But we don't want this to go too long. We want to flip it over now. See those grill marks? That's what you're looking for. Next you want to turn it again. One more time. Let these ribs go for a little bit. Next, what you want to do, you want to get your pan ready so you can get it going in the oven. This is for you home cooks that don't want to go outside when it's raining like it is outside right now. You can do everything in the house. Simple and easy. Next, you want to remove these ribs and place them in a roasting pan. Bone side down. Next, what I usually do, I take a little red wine. Pour me a little red wine in there with it. Just to keep it moist. Then I usually go open. That means no top on it. Place it in the oven for 2 to 3 hours. See you later. We'll come back when that's all done. Okay, y'all, here's the finished product. Take a look at that. That's how your ribs should look when they're completely done. What you want to do is now, you want to take them, go to your cutting board. Ah, look at that. That's how tender they are. So tender they falling apart. Wow. Go to your cutting board. Cut in between the bone. Wow. Now we're starting to plate. Ribs are so tender, they falling off the bone. Couple of succulent pieces. We want to grab our potato salad out of the refrigerator. Get us a spoon. Next, we want to plate our potato salad. Nice big old thing of potato salad. Next, we want to get our greens. While y'all was gone, I made greens too. So, now we're going to put these greens on the plate. This is your finished product. Ribs and greens with mashed potatoes. Don't that look delicious? See y'all next time on Live Coming live from my kitchen.